Welcome to Mission Beach. This is the Bayside where we started our walk. It is in the southern section of Mission Beach, so we're going to call this the Bayside Walk. There's some great artwork. You can see we picked a really good morning. The wind is down really low. That's very glassy. There's one elderly gentleman doing some stretching and yoga on the beach. And now we're going to turn around and just look back to the north. And look at this. This is how big the bay is. It's about probably a mile or so across. And then we're going to just shut this part down. Anytime now. All right, now we have walked all the way over to the Mission Beach Channel. So the channel feeds into the bay from the ocean. And across the bay, you can see a spit that is where dogs go to play. It's called Dog Beach. And that's in Ocean Beach. There are pelicans flying overhead as if we summoned them ourselves. It was an awesome morning. And then we're going to go back toward the ocean. And now we're over at the beach. This is just another couple hundred meters away. We have walked through a parking lot and we're just looking at the entirety of South Mission Beach. And there is a great big lifeguard tower that's been there for many decades. And then if you just finish your walk at the roller coaster, you walk across the street, and there are more examples of what there is to do around here. You've got this beautiful set of beach volleyball courts, and people are definitely taking advantage of it on the weekends, as you can see. These people had about 30 volleyballs with them, so they're pretty serious. And then I just swiveled around to show you how close we are to the roller coaster. And then we're going to look at a little bit more volleyball because there was some pretty high quality play. This is 2-on-2, sort of mixed pairs. And this couple of couples is moving around pretty well. And there's a nice dig, nice hard hit, and then the last hit of the day goes out of bounds. All right, so now we're walking back toward the parking lot, and I just wanted to show you how close this area was to the Belmont Park roller coaster. It's just a really great vibe. If you're on vacation, you could spend an hour or 2 or 3 here and you would not feel bad about it. All right, have a great day.